metal beasts power your bike, but the factory process will shock you.
Welcome to the real motorcycle sprocket factory. These tough gears start from raw steel and become bike essential.
It all starts with tough steel, the backbone of every sprocket.
Fun fact: high carbon steel, strong enough for 100,000 miles on your bike.
Fun fact: zinc coating lasts 5x longer against rust. Point bike ready.
Stamping creates the base Texas layout. Massive force at work.
Polished to perfection, reducing friction for a smoother ride.
Shaped and hot, time for cooling.
Heat treatment makes them unbreakable.
Fun fact: 1500 degrees Celsius, Excal, hotter than lava.
Hardened and tough, next is machining.
Machining for perfect fit, or no room for error. Fun fact: teeth accuracy to 0.01 millimeters. Smoother ride.
Teeth sharp, ready for polishing.
Grinding for that mirror finish.
Fun fact: reduces friction by 30%. Longer chain life.
Coating for rust-proof life. Melted in minutes at 1500 degrees Celsius on display. The raw power of sprocket making. Protected and tough lies. Time for testing. Rigorous tests. Only the best leave. Fun fact: tested for 10,000 miles of wear. Tested for perfection. Only the best sprockets pass. Packaged for global bikes. Fun fact: exported to 50 dishes. I have my shirts on sleeve.
From factory to your bike.
See them in action, from city streets to off-road.
Fun fact: reduces noise by 20%. Scent, quieter ride.
The heart of your bike's power.
Sustainable Sprockets. Green from start.
Future. Lighter alloys for better mileage.
The future of Sprockets. Stronger, greener.
And that's the real 30-minute journey from raw steel to motorcycle sprocket. What shocked you most, the stamping or the shine?
Subscribe now for factory unveiled secrets. Hit the bell and share if you loved this ride.